Now, if there's one plant in the nursery that I never tire from admiring, it has to be this gorgeous little viola called Viola Etain. For here's a plant that only grows about 6 to 8 inches high and carries these gorgeous flowers that have for me the most exquisite colouring, growing only about 6 to 8 inches high and carrying this lovely kind of primrose yellow with a lilac purple edge to the petals. It just seems to beam out a happy face, and I'm sitting there just admiring all of these gorgeous little flowers sitting looking at me. The sort of thing that just makes your heart feel really good when you see it. A perfect plant to grow in a container or perhaps a partially shaded bed somewhere near your home where you're able to see it each and almost every day. What's interesting about violas is that they were very popular during Victorian and Edwardian days. But unfortunately, after the First World War, a lot of the good varieties were lost. But to the rescue came an English nurseryman called Richard Crawthorne. He travelled the length and breadth of the British Isles, collecting up and rescuing old varieties, and then set forth to breed and select and develop new varieties. And this is one of the ones that said that he brought to the industry. They called him the Viola Man, and he bred and selected a lot of these lovely, fragrant little perennial pansies, I suppose you could call them, that have this lovely dark green foliage and lots of pretty flowers. I should say that this is also very well named. It's named after a name of a lady in Irish mythology that is said to have beauty and grace beyond compare. So you can start to see why I really adore and love this little viola. This is Viola Etain.